Hello, I thought I'd hop on really quick because I got a couple of questions about how to use the GIA ball if you have glasses, because I have it right now with my desk set up right above my laptop. But as you probably would have suspected, if I put my glasses on, we see it right up there. So the solution is the same as in the glasses video. I'm going to raise it up. And what I'm thinking about, see, now you can't see it, and let's see, it's about a half a foot above my head. I like to think of it as a 45-degree angle to my forehead. But then you'll notice that it creates a little bit of shadow, and this is just one of the downsides of glasses. There's always going to be a shadow. If you bring two lights from out to the side, you're going to get a weird shadow on the side here, and if you bring it up where I suggest, you're going to get a little bit of darkness in the eyes. So what I recommend, if you can, is doing a power bounce. And this is what I did because these are blue bucking glasses. I did this in meetings yesterday. So when you add a power bounce, it fills in those shadows under your eyes just a touch. And yeah, then you get the good lighting with glasses. And you'll notice it's still in the reflection there, so I have options. I can either be cool with that most of the time I'm here. I can lift the light up a little bit higher, and I can also change the angle of the power bounce. So those are all things that you can do to adjust and yeah, get out there and rock it.